guys, Xbox here. Check it out. We are back with our Slash kind of project car here that we were trying to bring back from the grave. If you guys remember in our other video, you guys can check it out over there. We went over the new ESC we bought, right? I had the Castle Creation Kit in there. I blew up the ESC, and I didn't want to get another combo set for 150, so I took a look online, and we had a 45 amp. Look at that. Oh, jeez. There was a 45 amp ESC and brushless combo. I believe, what is that, 4300 kV, which is, I mean, it is ridiculous, right? Isn't it insane? And this was like 40 bucks, and it's waterproof, dust resistant, all this stuff, and it has a fan built in. I was like, you know what? Fine, I don't mind spending 40 bucks on a whole brand new kit comparison to 140 to get this thing up and running. So yeah, so this is it. If you guys are curious on the video, just go check it out, you know, to kind of watch what I did here. But I wanted to get this thing out to get it running, to kind of show you what it's like. The power delivery is great on this thing. Again, it's very comparable to like the Sidewinder V3. It's very comparable. I mean, it has a lot of power and works great. So let's hop over to the thing. Let's see how this thing goes.
I cannot see.
All right, guys, so there you go. That's just me just bashing this thing around. Now, a quick thing to note is this battery is really, really old, so it doesn't have, I would say even, it's probably lacking about 30% the power that you would normally get from a normal, fresh LiPo battery. I might do another video to kind of go over, hey, here's what it's like, you know, with a brand new fresh battery, because again, this one's really old. I didn't use it for like a year, so I just need something I could throw in there. But overall, it's great. It's, again, waterproof, dust-proof. It delivers great power even for my old dead batteries. The only complaint that I have about this $40 system, again, you can find on Amazon, is the fan. I mean, the fan is on all the time, and it is loud. So, you know, again, let's see if I can... And hopefully you guys can hear that. That thing is going. So with the body on, I mean, it probably is not going to be too big of a deal, but I just kind of wanted to, you know, revamp this thing and get it back up and running to show you guys, hey, you know, for all you guys who have old broken Slashes out there, whether the 2-wheel drive or the 4-wheel drive, and you don't want to spend an arm and a leg to get the thing up and running, for around 40 bucks, you can get a whole brand new brushless system. And I just threw, you know, my controller and everything like I always had in there. So yeah, this is great. It's back up and running. Hopefully I get some new videos of the of it running with you know, a brand new battery in there, because I think the power delivery is going to be intense. And 45 amps is huge for this thing. You know, putting a 3-cell in these 2-wheel drive Slashes is just crazy. Anyways, there you go, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you guys have 2-wheel drive Slash projects you guys are building too, let me know. I would love to see it. And definitely subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Thanks again.